Hey, this is Nate. Just wanted to put this quick video together for you. I'm going to start with your website overall look and layout is awesome. You've done a really good job here. I built a lot of sites on WordPress, but I look at a lot of sites that are not done very well too. I'm not sure why these pictures here are not loading, or it's okay, reviews. So that could be on my end because I'm out in the country and have pretty slow internet. But the overall layout of your site looks great. You do have some content in here. I have not read through it completely, but with Google, content is king. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are searching on Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. You know, I noticed right here you've got, I think these are a bunch of different city names. One of the things that we could do is go in here and build out like very simple basic pages and put them, as location back pages. They're kind of hidden, like nobody would ever come to this site and see them, but we could rank these little location pages in all these different cities. So by putting power to this main home page, those little small simple back pages that we could add for each city would kind of grow in ranking nationally on their own as we're ranking this homepage. So I did put you into one of the SEO tools that we have. Your title tag and your H1 tag are both super important to Google. They kind of help build a very clear path of communication with Google as to where you are and what you do. So right now you've got your company name, specialist you can trust. That's your title tag. I think Jacksonville is your main area, so that's kind of what I'm using as my example. I would do Jacksonville, FL, car detailing, or auto detailing, whichever one you wanted, and then a dash and your company name. Keep it very simple, but tell Google where you are and what you do. Currently, you don't have a meta description set up. You do want to get keywords and stuff in there too. Google is still going to show something. Even if you don't tell it what to say, they're just going to pull some content out of your site and use that as your meta description. With your H1 tag, it looks like it's trying to say that you've got two H1 tags set up, but it didn't tell me what one of them was. But right now, the H1 of these three things is the only one that shows up on your website. So you've got Get in Touch, which looks like probably all the way down here is your H1 tag. But it doesn't really matter to Google where it is on the page, but in most cases, we put that H1 tag right up here at the top. And I would do the same thing. Jacksonville, FL, auto detailing. And then maybe right below that, leave your company name there. Put like done by and then your company name. But make that H1 tag super simple. Jacksonville, FL, auto detailing. So just to show you some examples, I did pull up Jacksonville car detailing here. This blue line for all of these sites is their title tag, and then right below that is that meta description. And you can see there's bolded words in the meta descriptions. Google does that themselves. They're not set up that way in the back end of the website. Google's doing that to tell me that all of this stuff, they have relevant topics to what I'm searching. For your title tag, you can see probably 90% of the people I see ranking on page 1, they say where they are and what they do. Jacksonville, auto detailing. Car detailing, Jacksonville. Car detailing, Jacksonville. Auto detailing, Jacksonville. So you can kind of see how important it is to make sure that stuff is set up right on the back end of your site. I do have another tool here that we can search keywords. This is your site without the FL. You're currently showing up for Auto Pros, Motorcycle Detailing Jacksonville, the company name, and Mobile Auto Pros. Your highest ranking is 36, which is on the 4th page. 95% of people searching Google never leave page 1. So right now, like the only one that's really showing anything, there's 1,800 people that type in Auto Pros, but we don't know where any of them are. The only one of these keywords that is really truly relevant is Motorcycle Detailing Jacksonville FL. It says what you do and where you do it. I call that a generic keyword. Because if somebody needs their motorcycle detailed and they're in Jacksonville, but they don't know who to call, this is the type of stuff they're going to type in. Jacksonville car detailing, Jacksonville auto detailing Jacksonville, mobile detailing Jacksonville, all those type of things. So I like to look for location-specific keywords. Looking at this, there's only 20 people a month that type that in. But right now, none of them are finding you. So I did go ahead and put the other site you sent me in this same tool. Their highest ranking on anything right now is 42, which is on page 5. Mobile Auto Pros. They do have the Jackson. These are more of the type of keywords that I would like to see. The more of the generic. Motorcycle detailing Jacksonville, boat detailing Jacksonville, auto detailing Jacksonville, mobile detailing Jacksonville, and mobile car detailing Jacksonville. But as you can see, most of these are, this one's page 5, this one's page 7, this one's at the bottom of page 8, this is page 9, this is page 10, this is page 10. Nobody's seeing those. But as you can tell, you have better keywords starting to show up for the site that they're building, not your site. So just kind of wanted to give you that information. I hope that helps you out. I will talk to you later.